Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a cornfield located in western New York, where a dairy farm is harvesting its crop with a pair of John Deere Titan Series combines, a 7720 Turbo and a 6620 Titan II. These machines are equipped with 6-row 30-inch John Deere 643 corn heads. Hauling the crop away from the combines is a STEIGER Cougar III Automatic articulated four-wheel drive tractor operating an OXBO 1514 dump chief. This video will share with you the sights and sounds of the corn harvest along with the production history, specifications, and original price tag of the machinery. The STEIGER Cougar III Automatic PTA 280 tractor was manufactured in Fargo, North Dakota from 1981 through 1983. The model in this video is powered by a Caterpillar 3406 DIT 893 cubic inch engine rated at 280 engine horsepower. It features an Allison HT 754 power shift transmission with a torque converter. It offers 10 forward and 2 reverse speeds. The original price tag of this tractor when it was new was $102,964. The OXBO 1514 dump chief is manufactured in Clear Lake, Wisconsin. It has a holding capacity of 1,000 cubic feet, a dump capacity of 24,000 pounds. It has a max lift height of 15 feet and unloads in approximately 2 minutes. The 7720 Turbo is part of John Deere's first generation of Titan series combines, manufactured in East Moline, Illinois from 1979 through 1984. It came from the factory rated at a standard 145 horsepower and can be ordered with an optional 165 horsepower rating. The combine features 5 straw walkers for threshing and is fitted with a 190 bushel grain tank. Its original price tag when it was new was $83,033. The 6620 Titan II is part of John Deere's second generation of Titan series combines, manufactured in East Moline, Illinois from 1985 through 1988. This combine came standard from the factory, rated at 125 horsepower, and can be ordered with an optional 145 horsepower rating. It features 4 straw walkers for threshing and a 166 bushel grain bin. Its original price tag when it was new was $72,873. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing the John Deere 6620 Titan II and 7720 Turbo combines harvesting corn. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use Titan combines or have operated them in the past on your farm. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional harvesting content from this channel, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to more Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.